Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. So I wanted to share with you guys. I got a little ahead of myself, but I still wanted to stop and share with you. So I signed up and participated in a Secret Santa swap hosted by Elsa, who is Elsa the bargain hunting crafter. Sorry if I butchered that a little bit, Elsa. So I'll link her channel in the description box. She's also on Instagram. But I wanted to share a little bit, at least, of what I am sending to my Secret Santa. So I got this far and I was about to wrap the box, and I was like, oh no! So now some things are wrapped already, but I wanted to share some of it at least. Well, let me just see if I can set this. Let me just set it right in this chair. Okay, so besides her card, well, if you can, this is what it looks like right now. So I've included this adorable little ho 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 tag. I didn't put anything on it in case you wanted to reuse it. So right on top, of course, there's shreds in here. So I have gifted her this adorable little Santa headband. Super cute and fun for the holidays. Let's see. So I wrapped some things and some things I didn't wrap. So I have gifted her this Heidi Swap little notepad set. She's a crafter, so I did, a mix of things. I've also included these iridescent adhesive gems. And then, oh, and this little wand. Oh, I didn't make this myself. I was gifted a set of 3 of these in a swap, and they're just so pretty, so I wanted to share. I did add the little red bow, but yeah, I just thought that was super cute, and I wanted to share one with her since I have a few. Also in here is this cute little Jingle Bell pin. Adorable. Love the green swirl stripe going up there. Okay, and then, oh, I shouldn't have wrapped this. Let's see, this one is wrapped. I don't want to undo it and mess anything up. But I made this ornament one time. A pastel ornament. Using this little fuzzy ring. It was like maybe it goes on your wrist. It was from the Dollar Tree. It was about this big around, with a hole in the middle for your wrist. And I thought it would be cute to turn into a wreath. So I altered it and made a really cute little pastel ornament out of it. It's mint green, and I used Santa Baby. And I've been hoarding it a little. I didn't want to let it go. But I saw that my Secret Santa person likes pastels. And I thought she might enjoy it versus me having it here just sitting and collecting, Okay, so I also included these Heidi Swap charms. Create magic, feeling good, just for you. And then these adorable little deer clips. And I wanted to also add in, this was supposed to be a $10 limit swap, but as many of us are bargain shoppers, thrifty shoppers, sales, there's a little more in here than what $10 should probably look like. So I just wanted to put that out there. Let's see. This one, I bagged it in this little, I wrapped it in this striped paper and then put it in this little bag and just added a bow on top. And it's some cute little fa la la socks, and they're like the aloe infused. Super cute, soft and comfortable. And then, one of the things on her want/need list was time. And unfortunately, I can't give her time, or I would. And she mentioned glue sticks. So I did get her a bag of glue sticks, and I just wrapped it up in this. And this is not tied. This is actually just wrapped around it. I think it's like a yard or two, so she can reuse it. This is some super cute. It's like pom-pom trim, but it's kind of like snowballs too. So I just loosely wrapped it around there so she could take it off and reuse it. Cute little pink bow on there. And then her favorite snacks or candy. She listed a couple of things, and one was Lindor chocolates, like the original, and then raspberry. So I did grab her a pack of the Lindor regular milk chocolate, and I couldn't find the raspberry ones, but I did find this adorable little cocoa spoons, and they are raspberry. Yeah, raspberry flavored, sorry. And I used this little bag I had, and it's like a topper, but it's the to and from. Hot cocoa spoons, in case you wanted to keep the bag or reuse it. I didn't write anything on it. I'm just going to clip it like that. It's got the little snowflakes right there, acetate window. So there is that. And then, what have I done? There's one more thing wrapped here in this cute little polka dot bag, special delivery. And I just wrapped it up with some red eyelash trim. And have I really forgotten what's in here? I don't remember what's in here. Oh my goodness. Another gift, obviously. So yeah, this is what I put together for my Secret Santa. I hope that she enjoys it. I had a lot of fun putting it together for her. And yeah, obviously this video will not go up until she has received it. So therefore, I will probably link her channel in the description box if you guys want to check her out, and maybe she does her own unboxing of this, and you guys can see her unwrap it and see what this is, since I can't remember what is in there. So yeah, that is it for this video. I wanted to thank you also, Elsa, for hosting this swap and letting me participate. It's awesome. I love doing Secret Santa swaps. It is so fun, and it got me more so in the Christmas spirit doing this. So yeah, I love it. Thank you so much for hosting, and that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.